Are you tired of competing with thousands of freelancers on Fiverr for the same clients and jobs? It's time to unlock endless client opportunities by exploring Gigsified as your Fiverr alternative. Gigsified is a platform that connects freelancers with clients seeking services in various creative fields. Whether you're a graphic designer, video editor, writer, or voiceover artist, Gigsified provides a fresh avenue to showcase your skills and attract new clients. Unlike Fiverr, Gigsified focuses on quality over quantity. By curating a select group of freelancers, Gigsified ensures that clients have access to top-notch talent. This means less competition for you and more opportunities to shine. Gigsified also offers a personalized approach to finding clients. With their unique algorithm, the platform matches freelancers with the right clients based on their specific needs and preferences. This targeted approach maximizes your chances of landing gigs that are a perfect fit for your skills and expertise. And here's the best part. Gigsified allows you to set your own rates, giving you the freedom to charge what you're worth. You no longer have to settle for low-paying gigs or waste time negotiating prices. With Gigsified, you're in control of your financial future. So, if you're ready to take your freelancing career to the next level and unlock endless client opportunities, it's time to make the switch to Gigsified. Visit their website today, create a profile, and start showcasing your skills to a whole new world of clients. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more freelancing tips and tricks. Stay inspired and keep exploring new client opportunities.